Don't be looking shady. Y'all see her, don't you? You see her behind that hand. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. So, y'all saw in my last vlog that I didn't get home till this morning. Fooling around with them children, but they was so fun. We had such a good time. You see, they even had Jalen in their shenanigans. Anyway, I am up. I am about to go ahead and mow the lawn. I'm gonna change my clothes right quick. All right, guys. I put on the clothes that I paint in. No biggie. Look, working clothes. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and mow this lawn while I'm up. And the vlog today is actually already ready to go. It's uploaded. I just gotta do a thumbnail and stuff. Uh-oh, is that right? No, that's right. Oh. So I'm trying to get done because my mom wanted me to go to Sam's with her today. I don't know why Sam's is the devil being there, had me buying shit I don't need. But anyway, I'm gonna get up since I'm just laying in the bed, ain't doing shit. No way. Might as well get up and be productive, right? So that's what we're gonna do. And I'll either listen to some music or my audio book while I'm actually on the lawn. But I'm gonna switch to my phone. You know, you gotta go outside. I don't feel like setting up my camera and stuff. Y'all seen me mow the lawn plenty of times. It's the same old, same old. I need to sweep off my porch. It's ridiculous. Look at this stupid tree. My big ass tree. I'm gonna get it cut down one day. I don't really want to get it cut down. What in the hell? I swear, critters everywhere. Anyway, I really don't want to get it cut down because it keeps my house cool. But I'm scared it's going to fall on my house one day. So, y'all, look at my yard. It's ridiculous. Can y'all see how tall the grass is? Y'all see how tall that grass is? It looks atrocious. We about to rectify this shit. Early in the morning. Early in the morning. My grass looks a mess. Let's get this shit done. At least it's cool this morning. That's when I unpack that thing so that I can use it to go to the pop-up shop, and I haven't brought everything back out, so I'm just gonna sit everything right there and then get the lawnmower out. So it took me about an hour to cut my grass. So this is the side of the house where the shed is. This is my little backyard, y'all. It's all the backyard I got. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my backyard, but this is where I'm gonna build the deck. It's enough room for the deck that I want. So it's gonna come out and just take up this whole like space. So it'll be narrow to wider. That's what it's gonna be. I don't know how far I'm gonna come out. I may come all the way around the house. I don't know yet. So this is the yard. Whew, it feels so good to have my own riding lawnmower. I don't have to pay anybody. Y'all, it's gonna save me like $700 a year Now there is one little spot under that tree I can't get because I need to get somebody to cut that tree back this winter. Like I need this tree cut like down. So I'm gonna have to find somebody. I want it to be the same size as that tree. You see how big this one is? It needs to be cut down like that. And even that needs to be cut around some. So I definitely want to get that done. I also want these bushes gone. I want them to clear all them bushes out. And that bush right there in front of my deck. I kind of like that one, but I think it's dying. It's looking really weird. Maybe shape it up. And then that tree has gotten so big. This one right here. I might have them cut it down. Like cut down that middle one that goes all the way up. Just shorten it some. But other than that, the yard is completely cut. Except from around that bush. Because I don't have a weed eater. And I can't get my lawnmower under there. And I don't have a weed eater to get along those bushes along my house. But as long as I keep it cut, it should be alright. But yeah, and then I couldn't get that because I don't have a weed eater. I'll get one of those soon. But yeah. So, my mama wanted to go to Sam's today. So I need to go ahead and take a shower. And get ready for the day. But yeah, I'm glad it's not so hot. So I wasn't sweating while I was cutting grass. And I was just cutting grass. I wasn't even listening to my music or watching nothing, y'all. I just really was listening to the sound of the lawnmower. I guess it was therapeutic or whatever. While I was at it, you guys, I went ahead and swept off the porch as well. So, no more leaves for right now. They'll be back in a couple of days. But right now, we're pretty much leaf free. And this grass got me sneezing. I need to get a new doormat. But yep, that's what we're looking like on the porch. All swept off. I can't wait till I get a new porch. The next one's going to be covered because I don't have time. Alright guys, I just called my mom because you guys saw me. I'm finishing mowing the lawn. And I swept off the porch. And I didn't finish my laundry yesterday. So I'm trying to see what's here because I want to be able to clean up today and you know get some clean up and get some like stuff going. And I can't even talk. Clean up and like get stuff going. Let's get this laundry. Dude, what you doing? Creeper. Creeper. I left these in here, so hopefully they're not sour. This is still fairly cool in the house at night. I need to make a list. I need some more of these fabric stuff that go in there, the little beads, and I need some more dryer sheets. We don't have any more. I always try to go to Dollar General and get stuff when it's 5 off of 25. Don't you hear me talking? Be quiet. Big head. Like I was saying before I rudely interrupted by a big ham. I thought Maria ain't seen me no chicken. It was in the microwave. Oh, such a loser. She's so damn spoiled. He ain't got to save you nothing. No job. Freeloader. Freeloader. Look, she having her brother bought some chicken from Domino's last night. She about to pout if he ate it up with no job or money. Anyway, what I was saying was that on Dollar General, on Saturday, sometimes they give you them coupons that be 5 off of 25. So that's kind of when I go and stock up on like some of my household things. Because I usually spend more than $25 on those. I thought I had 2 receipts. I need to see if Mari got a receipt with a coupon on it. Because I will break it up into 2 $25 transactions. Sure will. I'm going to get my $10 off. For real. So anyway, let me get my whole life. I need to take a bath, put some clothes on, and then finish folding these clothes. And I still got to continue cleaning up my room because it's not clean. And our goal was to have my room and my office clean today. I don't know if we're going to make it. Boop, boop. So, let me get my ass in the gear. Guys, so I'm about to run errands with my mom. And I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So basically I have on this sweater vest that I thrifted last year from the thrift store. And since it's warm outside, but still a little cool, it'll give me enough like warmth, but not too hot, so because my arms are out. Then I have on this belt from H&M. And then these jeans are from Poshmark. And then my booties are, of course, from Belk. They're the Jelly Pop booties, super cute. Then my necklace is from Living Fearless collection, along with my bracelets. And then the purse is an old purse from Amari Rose. They're all sold out now, but I have some new clutches on there soon. Hopefully it'll probably be after this video come out. And then my earrings are my House of Stradivant earrings that I got, I think earlier this year or last year. I think it was last year, because I remember Overmotor thinking Vlogmas. So last year, super cute. She actually got some more stuff coming out. I need to check her out. She has some really cute earrings. And so this is my outfit of the day. My hair is in a French braid just to keep it out of my face. So yeah, I'm about to go run some errands. Guys, we headed out on this beautiful Saturday. You know, when I go...
Do we need gas?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Might be all right. We got 40 miles. It ain't even but 10 miles to Trustville. My mom be scared of the gas light.
Oh gosh. When my gas thing be low, I be freaking out.
I should miss.
That's the man that gave me that wood that time.
Oh, okay. You know, when I go with my mom, I'm gonna be spending some money. Let me check my bank account. So we going up in Sam's too. Stop at Trustville to go to the farmer's market. Hello. Trustville getting stuffed mushrooms from KC Seafood. He told me to put them in the oven. Preheat 375 for 30 minutes. We're gonna try these out and let y'all know how they taste. Ain't no kind of breakfast. Well, my mama had breakfast. I ain't had no kind of breakfast, no kind of lunch. My mama was here eating on chocolate chip cookies. I'm saying this to you. Nah, you already don't open it. She already don't open it. So I guess that's when you have to get married. I guess I show you for her wedding. Ooh, they're good. Yeah. So you late? They close at 12. Anyway, like I said, my mom always got me spending money. When I come up here.
When you wash your hands, that.
You wash your hands?
Nope.
I put that bit butter on. My hands are soft. All right. Oh, geez, I forgot you were driving. Where am I all the way up in here? Look at that. He got the queen.
Yeah. Everybody do it for Joe.
Is she a backseat driver?
Maybe some grandmother in the back.
Sorry, y'all. I didn't bring my camera, so my phone won't have to suffice.
That's fine.
And so, I know where I'm going. Backseat. She the backseat, the side driver, the mama driver. You know your mama gonna tell you what to do no matter how old you get. She don't care. And Jayla I told Jayla you were gonna whoop her. She told me, I said, I'm gonna tell on you. I said, you been abusing me, and I'm gonna tell my mama, and she gonna whoop you. I'm like, girl ain't gonna whoop me. I said, okay. Now don't be get home and not whoop her now. You gotta go to that side.
Don't make you out loud.
I mean, I'm the first daughter. That's the granddaughter.
You can smell the rosemary. You can smell everything.
Ooh, it smells so good. She got some homemade, I smell the peppermint. She got homemade conditioner. My sister makes mine, you know, she took my recipe. And hers has a really strong smell, but she got a strong smell of that other stuff. I forgot what hers is called. We had to tell her to take that down a notch. It was strong, remember?
Yeah.
That oil?
Yeah.
So yeah. But we headed through the little neighborhood by the library. We're in Sam's, and I'm looking at the TVs, because you guys know I need to do TV. They have pretty good prices, so 50 inches ain't but $389. Or the Samsung is $497, which you know I have a Samsung now. But I don't care. I've seen some videos that are really, really nice. But they have 55, but the 58 look like it'll fit in my room too, because you know I'm gonna put it on the walls. I need to be big enough to actually do something. So I'm trying to think what size I should get. And I like the other one because it was super, super thin. Because I'm thinking about building something around it to kind of frame it in. I saw this girl do it. I'm like, I want to do it too. So I don't know. Big lots, and they got, of course, I was waiting for Bath and Body Works, but I'm gonna get these because they $6. And this one smells good too, but I like the Christmas tree smell, of course. And then they have something called frosted cranberry. See what this one smells like. Yeah, they can keep that. I don't like anything that smells like, what you call it? This one says cinnamon and allspice, so let's see what this one smells like. Well, that smells pretty good, but I don't want my house smelling like cinnamon, so I think I'm gonna do the Enchanted Holiday and the Balsam Fir. These both smell really, really good.
Play that.
All right, you guys. Damage. Like I said, when I go to my mama, I literally don't spend $200 on Christmas stuff. Don't be looking shady. Y'all see her, don't you? You see her behind that hand. You see her behind that hand. So I got some good Christmas stuff, because you guys know I'm changing my Christmas theme. But I'm going to have to order like my ornaments and stuff off of Amazon, because
It's a good day.
we didn't find no ornaments that was like I like from my Pinterest inspiration. So I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and see what I can find. At least I know what kind of ornaments I'm looking for now.
Yeah, what time do we leave the house? About 11? 12?
At 11. It's almost 3 o'clock. We've been out all day. Sometimes that's what happens when you go out with this one here. Don't hang your head. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Big Ham got her blue light glass on, looking intelligente. Ponyo loves Ham and her glasses. Wait a minute, what was that?
I gotta tweak my glasses.
Too funny.
Hey, I'm smart now, y'all.
Y'all, so I got some Christmas stuff. It's a sneak peek of one of my Christmas things is gonna go on my table. Isn't it so cute? I love it. That's a good wood element. Very, very nice. Very nice. And then her grandma bought her, what else did grandma buy you?
Alabama.
She liked the large, because she liked
It is a large.
she liked to walk around with them like a darn dress. Ooh, get away from me. Help, police. Then I bought me some peanuts to roast. Y'all know I love my peanuts. And then I bought, this lady was selling tea out at that farmer's market. So I got some tea. And she gave me the jar to make a big jar of tea. So I'll make me some tea. And then we got a cookie gun.
Yep.
We'll make cookies. And then
Properly.
I got a bunch of like Christmas stuff. So this is going to be our new Christmas stockings. It's so pretty. I love them. So everybody have the same stocking this year. And we're going to really have a good neutral Christmas. And that's some more stuff. Sneak peek, sneak peek. I need to, what time is it? It's 3:45. I need to go back out to the post office. And I need to go back out to the Dollar General and use my coupon for $5 off of 25 to get my stuff. But first, let's do this thumbnail for today's video that's going out at 7. Y'all, when I was at the Sam's, I got hit on so many times by these old men. Everybody was like, ooh, sorry, beautiful, and all kind of stuff. Yeah, these men crazy. That could be all out. 2 of them had wedding ring on. I was like, you know what? I can't with y'all. I really cannot. They didn't give no shames whatsoever. So yeah, at Sam's, you saw I was looking for to get me a TV. So I think I'm either gonna get the 58-inch or the 55-inch. I'm thinking leaning more towards the 58-inch, because I believe my wall is big enough, because there's so much space on that wall and there's nothing else on that wall. So I think 58 will be bomb. So we'll just have to see what I get. They weren't too expensive, like $500. That's not bad for a TV. Because the TV I have now, I pay $4 something for it, but I've had it since Samsung came out with their smart TV. That was like the first smart TV Samsung ever came out with. That was years ago. I had that TV for years, and I have not had one problem on that TV, not one. So the last one, but this won't be a Samsung. It'll probably be a Vizio. Vizios, I heard, are really good TVs. But anyway, let me finish doing this, and then I need to finish I'll probably finish my Cabo later on tonight, because I need to lay down. We've been out all day. I'm tired. That's tired, boss.